Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie. 我是 Charlie. In this video, we're going to talk about an expression 一下. 一下. 一下 means a little, a bit, for a while, or for once. But we need to know, besides the actual meaning of this word, most of the time in everyday situation we use 一下 to express politeness or to give people less stress. You don't want your sentence sounds too harsh or too demanding, too bossy. That is why most of the time we tend to use 一下 with a verb when we want to do something or when we need somebody to do something. Now let's look at 4 examples. The first one, 我很累，我想休息一下。我很累，我想休息一下。So I'm tired, I want to take a break. So here, of course, 一下 can be literally translated as a while, so it won't take a long time for me to have some break. So here you can understand 休息一下 literally as in I want to take a break for a while, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, I don't specify that, but for sure it won't take a long time. But for example, in a specific situation like let's say you're having a lesson with your teacher and your teacher has been talking to you all the time, and you as a student who wants to take a break, and your teacher even didn't ask for that, then in that case you say 我想休息一下 to show that the kind of respect or politeness to your teacher because he's the one who is actually working here and you're the one who is being helped by him and you're the one who wants to take a break. So in that case you can say 我想休息一下. I can also feel the politeness and the respect from you as a student. Alright, so we can understand this 休息一下 in both ways. It just depends with whom you're talking. Now let's look at the second sentence. 我去一下卫生间。我去一下卫生间. So this sentence just means I need to use the bathroom. But why in Chinese we say 去一下 instead of 去卫生间? And first of all, we want to mention that going to the bathroom or using the bathroom won't take me long. We also want to express the idea that using bathroom won't take me long, so you won't have to wait for me for a long time. So don't get worried or don't get nervous just because I need to use the bathroom. So here, 去一下卫生间 sounds politer, sounds kind of comforting the person who will have to wait for you while you're in the bathroom. Okay? 我去一下卫生间. The third one, 我看一下你的词典好吗？我看一下你的词典好吗？It just means, can I have a look at your dictionary? So here, just like in English, have a look doesn't literally mean only one look. It just expresses the idea that I want to use your dictionary, and since this is a favor to ask, I just want to say 一下 to show my politeness. I'm not commanding you or I'm not ordering you to give me your dictionary and have a look at it. I just want to use it, and could I use that? So here, 一下 sounds more like English, could I? So you can see when we speak English, we use could I do something? It sounds politer to the listener, right? Since we don't have could in Chinese, that is why we use 一下 to show this kind of politeness. And the last one, 请你读一下课文. 请你读一下课文. So please read this article, or please read this text. As a Chinese teacher, I always tell my students 请你读一下, 请你读一下. But what's on my mind is never read once. It just shows that I'm being polite as a teacher. I'm not forcing you to do that. And of course, as a teacher, I'm giving you an order, but I don't want you to feel that you're forced. At least this is what's on my mind when I say 请你读一下课文. Of course, you can see this sentence as please read the text once. But in that case, I would say 请你读一遍课文 instead of 读一下, because 一遍 literally means once. But why would I say 一下? just because I want to show the politeness. I don't want you to feel stressed. I don't want you to feel like I'm bossing you around. So, 请你读一下 Okay? 请你读一下课文 Alright? Now let's wrap it up. If you want to be polite, you can always use 一下 after a verb to show that you are not bossy, you are not giving someone an order, right? You just want to respect them, but meanwhile you need them to do something for you. And of course, 一下 literally also means to do something for a short time, to do something for a while. But basically, when we are communicating with people, no matter in what language, when you want to say a bit, a little, for a while, you just want to emphasize that it won't take long. You won't have to be worried that it will take you so much time. For example, please wait a second. Please wait a while. Please wait a moment. In English, we also say that. Just in Chinese, we would use verb plus 一下 to express the same politeness. And for sure, when people say wait a moment, it's not literally a moment. It just means it won't take long. Don't worry. Don't be anxious. Alright? I have a takeaway for you today. Please translate these sentences and leave your answers under this video. If you like this video, give me a like button, subscribe to my channel, and we see each other next time. Bye bye!